Alright, so I already did my brows and I did them off camera because they're looking a little crazy. I need to get them waxed and I'm not gonna show you all of that. So the first thing I like to do usually, my skin has been a lot drier lately, so I like to spray it down with some like prepping type spray, and I usually use the Rimmel Stay Matte, which is like, your skin is dry, why would you use a mattifying primer? But it did get oily as well, so I just like to go ahead and spray her down. Routine is not really that tedious because I'm usually up like 6 o'clock in the morning, and the last thing I want to do is have a beat face and waste all this time trying to get my makeup done when I just want to get to work and get my day started. So prime my face with Rimmel Stay Matte primer. And my skin has just not been acting right lately, and it's just been breaking out a lot. So I've been having to change up some things, figure out some things, and go from there. For foundation, I've just been using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in 21 Cream Caramel, and I think this might be a little light, but it works for me, so I'll put those on the outer parts. Take a brush, blend it in, and bring it down. I wish my skin get it together. I hate that it's breaking out so bad lately, and it's just because of hormone and all that stuff that I gotta get used to. So a little bit of Pro Concealer underneath the eyes. It's like kind of pinky tone. I got the one in Warm Sand. Okay, and then after that, I'm almost done pretty much because, again, I'm rushing. I still gotta get dressed. I still gotta warm my car up because it's nice and frozen right now. So usually I'm just trying to wham bam, throw my face on and get out the door. Then I use Airspun for the part where I put my concealer at. Take like a little wedge sponge and like kind of mad at myself right now because I don't know why I didn't film this video earlier when I was up early this morning. Maybe because I really wanted to get a nap in before I even like got dressed and thought about filming. Plus I was like, my appointment, I have a doctor's appointment, like an ultrasound. Yes, I'm pregnant. If you want to know more about that, check out my other channel. I'll leave the link down below. That's where I'll be posting more videos on pregnancy updates and everything. Vlog type videos will be down there. But yeah, I have an ultrasound today, so I was thinking, oh, I can get some rest and get my life together, and then I'll go ahead and film a video pretty much almost when it's time for me to leave out, because you know I'm getting dressed anyway to leave. So yeah, go ahead and check out that channel. It's fresh, it's new, so definitely need to show some love over there, because I'm definitely going to be posting a video this weekend. I'm going to be filming right after this video as well on my update for that. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm bronzing my face up with some Black Radiance powder. I'm using Jordana blush with the same brush. Because again, remember, I'm using Russian. So I just use that. This is the one I'm using. Go ahead and throw some eyeshadow on and a lip product, and I'll be right back because this is a foundation routine. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you're wondering what's on my eyes, I'm wearing the Profusion palette from Target. My lips have BH Cosmetic lip liner in. It's gone, but it looks like this. And then liquid soft matte lip from NYX in Transylvania. I gotta get some more because I'm running out of this. But yep, I thought I would give myself some kind of like fall wintery vibes, brush my edges, and call it a day. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I gotta go take the snow off my car, which I don't look forward to. And I don't know why I wore boots when it's slippery out, but hey, cute though, right? All right, I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to check out my vlog channel. Again, I'll put that in the description below. I do have social medias that you can check out as well. I'll put those in the description box below.